Hey there, this is Anand from SE Edition YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to create red tone effect in Lightroom Mobile, just like from this to this. So everyone loves to create this kind of effect in their own images, but the main fact that everyone faced is that it also get affected to the face tone. So in this video I will came with a cool hack that you can use for, and I'm pretty much sure that you will never start worrying about this problem. So this tutorial is going to be so much of interesting, but before that please hit the like button to this video, and if you are new to this channel then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and not just subscribe, ring the bell that you my friend never miss my any future tip, trick and tutorial. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well guys, so I am going with this photo because it is the best example for us. So first of all, let's just open this image in Lightroom application. So I am going to share this image in my Lightroom application. So here I am in my Lightroom application, and guys, you don't need a preset because you already have this color profile in your Lightroom application, so don't worry about that. Just guys, watch it very carefully that what process that I am gonna show you. So first of all, what you need to do is I will start to this icon, and I will decrease the highlights all the way to the left, and I will also decrease the whites just like this. I will increase some shadows on this, and I will decrease the blacks, and even just a little bit of contrast. So these are changes is looking good for my photo, so I am going with these numbers. So now I will go to this icon, and I will go to mix tool, and inside of mix tool just follow the step very carefully. All you need to do is just go to this yellow color tab first of all, and decrease the hue to -100, and increase the saturation just a little bit, and also decrease the green all the way to -100 and increase the saturation. Okay, now I will decrease some other colors. I will decrease all the saturation for other colors, so it will give me a better color option. Okay, and I will take the orange slider, and I will increase some luminance because orange color is a face tone color. Okay, and I will hit done. Now what I am gonna do is, and this is the most important step, so just watch it very carefully guys. So all you need to do is just go to this icon, this color profile icon, and scroll down a bit. Now as you can see the artistic panel, so click on the artistic panel just like here, and choose artistic 03. So this profile will help you to make this red tone color effect. So all you need to do is here is the intensity, so take this intensity slider and increase it just probably a good number which is looking good for your image. So I will go to this number, this looks good, and I will hit OK. And don't take care of the face toning effect because I know the face tone will get affected, and I will show the solution at the end of this video. Now all you need to do is go to this icon again, and I will increase some temperature, looking good, and I will decrease some tint. Now all you need to do is you just go to this icon, and you need to increase some clarity on your photo, and if you want then you can just decrease a vignette effect, and I will increase some vibrance on this photo. Well, it's good, and don't worry about the face, I will manage it later. So this looks awesome, and I will go to this icon, and I will increase some sharpening, and also I will increase some noise reduction, and our photo is ready. Now I will save this image by clicking on this 3-dot icon, and save to device on highest available quality. I will hit OK. So this is the image that I saved in Lightroom application. So what I am gonna do is I will share this image in my PicsArt app. So I gave the link in the description below about this PicsArt app. So if you if you have not this PicsArt app in your mobile, then go ahead and download this PicsArt app. Okay, it's totally free. So now all you need to do is just go to add photo and choose your original photo and hit add. Now all you need to do is just zoom out a little bit. Now all you need to do is just take this original photo and position it according to unless it will be fit. So you can check this out by decreasing the opacity. So I think this is fit. Now what I'm gonna do is I will go to this eraser icon. Now I am gonna decrease some hardness and I'll also decrease the size. So as you can see guys, I have fixed this face tone problem. So let me show that to you. So I'm gonna hit OK. And if you want to save this image, then go to this draw tool. After that, go to this three dot icon and save image. Your photo will be saved. So guys, I hope this video will be helpful for you, and if it did, then please hit the like button, and if you are new to this channel, then please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and not just subscribe, ring the bell that you my friend never miss any future tip, trick and tutorial. I'll see you in my next one. Till then, stay tuned and make sure that you keep creating.